What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to another video. As you guys know, the east coast of the United States has experienced some very significant weather events this season. And so far where I am, in Charleston, South Carolina, we've gotten very lucky compared to many communities in Florida and North Carolina. If you guys are in a position to donate to hurricane relief, I'll leave a link in the description. The only flooding that we've experienced in my area is along the major water systems like the Santee River. Many of the roads surrounding the rivers in the National Forest have probably 1 to 2 feet of water in them. So my friend Parker and I had the idea to go out at night and see if we could find some crazy aquatic critters in the roads that we're normally driving on. And like all this vegetation, I feel like it's not supposed to be submerged like this. So like I wonder how that's gonna affect it. Like, is it gonna die? Like, I don't know. Yeah. Yeah. No. I gotta say, it was a pretty wild experience seeing fish swimming around where you're normally walking. Okay. Is that a warmouth? Flyer? Bigger flyer, yeah.
Yeah, flyer.
This is a damn big ass mosquito fish. It didn't even cross my mind because we were in freshwater. I think this is just a mud minnow or a mummichog.
It could be a molly though.
You gotta love the crayfish. These guys were chilling out just about everywhere, tucked up in the gravel. There were a couple of these leeches moving around too, and they look bizarre when they're swimming. As the night progressed, we started finding some very impressive animals. This one might have been my favorite, but there's plenty more to come. Cool GoPro shot real quick. If you haven't figured it out by now, this was a sizable blue catfish just chilling in the road. He's gonna be strong, and they have spines, so you just kind of gotta watch out for their tips of their fins. Holy shit. Oh, he went between my legs. This small terrestrial salamander was not having a great time with the flooding, so we gave him a hand. On the contrary, the amphibians, which are basically massive eel-shaped salamanders, were having a ball.
It might have.
Really? He's struggling?
Oh, wait. There might be mud snake scars.
Oh, yeah.
I want to see if that's disease or mud snake scars.
You're fast. This was the only snake we managed to find, which surprised us. We were expecting to see at least a couple, but I'm not mad about a cute little green snake. He's doing the little wiggle.
Yeah. I'm just a stick blowing in the wind.
This was a pretty interesting larva to maybe a dragonfly or some other insect. And then we found a flatfish very similar to a flounder in the freshwater. This is called a hog choker. While I was filming the leech, Parker spotted another really awesome fish. This was a teeny tiny little baby gar.
cool.
And our last find of the night was one more amphiuma. Thank you guys for making it to the end. I greatly appreciate you, and as always, stay hooked.